Anemia during pregnancy. Symptoms and remedies. Anemia occurs due to the lack of healthy red blood cells in the body. Iron deficiency leading to anemia is quite common among pregnant women, as the body has to produce more blood to carry necessary nutrients to the baby. Let us discuss the symptoms and remedies for anemia. Symptoms of anemia. Weakness and lethargy. A person affected with anemia tends to feel lightheaded, weak, lethargic, breathless, and may have sore gums, headaches, pale skin, brittle nails, dark circles under the eyes, trouble in concentrating, and cold hands and feet. Remedies for anemia. Eat an iron-rich, balanced diet. Dietary choices make a big difference in the amount of iron in your body. Include beetroot, liver, whole grains, blackstrap molasses, spinach, leafy vegetables, watermelon, bananas, legumes, dried fruits, nuts and seeds, honey, and other iron-rich foods in your diet. Increase intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts the body's ability to absorb iron from food. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, helps your body to absorb iron. Include oranges and other citrus fruits, bell pepper, kiwi, strawberry, tomato, broccoli, spinach, chickpea to your diet to avoid anemia during pregnancy. Prenatal vitamins. Take folic acid, vitamins, and protein supplements. Taking prenatal vitamins like folic acid, vitamin B12, vitamin A and C, and protein can prevent your iron levels from dropping throughout pregnancy. Iron supplements, a must for managing anemia in pregnant women. Iron supplements help in boosting iron in the body, but vitamin C must also be taken in conjunction to mitigate the inability of the body to absorb iron. Things to avoid. Avoid coffee, tea, and gluten if you are anemic. Avoid coffee, tea, and gluten if you are anemic. These can interfere with absorption of iron in your body. Also, calcium can hinder iron absorption, so eat calcium-rich foods at different times than iron-containing foods. For example, meat and lentils should not be taken with milk, yogurt, or cheese. Anemia can be managed with a watchful and balanced diet that includes plenty of foods containing iron, or which helps in absorption of iron in the body.